What's going on, everybody? David Mitz here, and my and we are here at the 2024 Charleston area model train show. Look at it. Joe is running late, but he'll be here soon. But we're going to have a good time today, and I'm going to walk around for a bit, but it's going to be awesome. Oh, this is Z scale. T gauge, am I right? Look at that. That is small. Well, can I touch it to show them how, like the parachute? Look at it.
You can pick up that little engine.
Look at this. Look, let me. That crazy.
Those are actually houses from a Monopoly game.
They work, that for sure.
That's just called teeny trains.
Mm-hmm. It amazing, that for sure. Oh, look at this layout. Wow, is it crazy?
Sorry, I'll move all this stuff so you can actually get a...
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Next year I'm going to have the backdrop on.
Alright, everyone, they got done filming some train stuff for some short and in-scale layout tour video. So we're going to walk around before buying some. Look at all the vendors. Wow. Got some good stuff right here. Oh, this all vintage, that for sure. 1940s, 50s. Old Lionel. Whew. Nice. With the Mesties. Whew. Check this out. Some G scale right here at work. Look at all this. It's amazing. on a Joe, but y'all know I'm in scale. Hey guys! Hey! Look at it. I'll be back here. Get them in scaled up in a bit. So yeah.
A dilemma. Buy the GS4, I have to. I mean, I'm wearing the
Ooh, got a lot of in scaled up this year. So that's gonna be good. Look at this. Look at that.
I have another one just like it.
Good morning.
Yes, thank you. Yes, we had a great conversation. Thank you.
That adorable. That is adorable. Look at it. At the G scale table. Bella around trying to find the stamp. But look at it. Some old M&W.
Alright, so like
Look at it. Look at all you lettered box cars and rolling stock. Woo!
This one's also made out of epoxy. It's a bit more durable than soft epoxy.
Ooh, look at that. That nice. Got them old Norfolk Southern. Them old Southern and an Alco. A couple of Alcos. Ooh. They got something from the United Kingdom right there.
Probably
Look at that. Look at this. Oh, look at the G scale. Huh. Y'all know what crazy? I haven't seen the real one at the Smithsonian up in Washington, D.C. That one right here, at the Smithsonian Museum up there. Look at all this. They're pretty big right here, and they're G scale. Look at it. Yeah. Nice. That's cool. But look at this.
his grandson's not even here. Oh, yes, he is. Where is he? Mason!
Got them old old Lionel NS scale right here. But yeah, look at that.
Burning a hole in the pocket.
Excuse me.
You want to buy another?
You said no first.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Union Pacific. But that's the whole deal right there. There, look at all this. Huh? Look at, I'm gonna forget this. They'll like this stuff right here. So yeah, up a Val. I know you're looking for what you want. Yeah, it say free on it, Val. Free books and stuff right there. But yeah. Huh. Yoink. Did a yoink. But yeah, I'm gonna buy some model train stuff now. But I'll see you after we get our model trains up. And hopefully Joe will here by then. So yeah. Okay everyone, Joe have finally arrived.
Can I take my stuff off?
But yeah, but Joe is finally here. I already got my in-scouts up, bud.
Yeah, I got my money for $10.
Oh,
Ticket.
Vel is over on the other side looking for an ATM right now, so oof. But yeah. Alright, now that it's Joe in, and look what shirt he is wearing with the East Broad Top. Am I right?
And my last year hat too. Like a duck.
Now, Vel on the other side of the building, doing train stuff. Or not train stuff, but other stuff, looking for an ATM. So we'll see her in a bit. But you're going to enjoy yourself today, but there are a lot of vendors. So, yeah. But it's a good one.
That's right.
Am I right about that?
Yep.
But we're having a good time. Vel should be back in a bit. And yes, I'm going to get some more YouTube shorts of some of the train layouts. So, yeah. Alright, my wife is finally back from the other side.
Yeah.
So what do you got from over there, Valley Poo?
All free,
Your
except
book
the
bag's
rush.
untied.
The home.
And Joe behind us. Who started?
Oh, your book bag's untied.
I know. It's on time because the zipper. Thank you, Joe.
I'll get it.
But yeah, but we're going to get some food. But yeah, we're going to grab some food and probably head inside because it's starting to drizzle again. But hopefully all this clear out by 4 because most of this will be clearing out soon.
But good news. Ow!
What are we?
Roasted David because I won a water bottle and someone gave me a golf ball because I actually roasted. David doesn't like golf in Stone River, but he wants a mini golf. Yes, we were the same hat.
too.
Yeah. Also, me and David. I mean, I almost got the mini tote box from that store. I love the mini tote box. Unless David told me that if there's a mini tote box at Walmart. Do y'all have mini tote box?
We do have mini toolboxes, but yeah. But Joe, Val, y'all ready to eat? All right, we're gonna get our food, and we'll talk to y'all right after we get our food. All right, I went back in to get more train shorts. If y'all know, I do these shorts because they're fun. But yeah. but I'm gonna get some more. So I'll see you all after I get enough, if y'all know what I mean. All right, everyone, we got our food. Joe, you got your food. Val got her food. I got my food. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. But we're gonna have. This is so crazy.
I eat it with fork.
Mine's good.
I never do like that.
That's good. But ooh, it's spicy.
I thought it was
Good but spicy. Wow. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is just some spiciness. Ooh.
My sibling was grumpy.
Ooh.
He did not know about the plans.
Ah. I thought we might save it for later on. This is hot.
Mine's mild.
Ooh. But wow, that is hot. I'm probably going to save it for later on. But that ought to be good. Just one bite of it, but wow.
My friend has interest in my sister too.
All right.
Joseph.
Hey Val, you got to try it.
My sister's
I'll
2
buy a
years
mini
apart
toolbox for
from
myself.
Joseph, my buddy of mine.
All right. We'll get back to when Val try it.
David's co-worker Joe is so
The other Joe?
like you.
Yeah, I am.
I didn't know you're a manager named Cat.
Cat?
I met Cat.
A debtor? Wait, another manager? The cat?
But
No. Yeah, we had cat.
I ate it.
No.
But yeah.
Oh my god, I'm
Pretty good.
face.
So you're having a good time too, bud? All right. That train layout, I'm not. All right, I'm gonna bring it up with y'all. That train layout right there, it best train layout that they had at a model train show in a long time. And it in scale with what I'm modeling, but yeah. And also, you're trying to model it too, am I right, Joe?
Yeah.
So
I
yeah.
still have my,
Conrail?
I have a Philadelphia one.
Do you think I'm tan? Because I wear.
You mean the
You look
Philadelphia?
good, Val.
You mean my Philadelphia?
Sorry,
Dark train? Yeah,
Ah, nice.
of course.
But yeah, but we'll see y'all when we get done eating and when we get ready to head inside. Now, I am going to save this for later on, that for sure. Because I'm probably going to need a lot of drinks to keep this down, if y'all know what I mean. But yeah. Alright everyone, I've been doing a lot of YouTube shorts. Also, I just found another fellow YouTuber. Am I right? I'll put in a link to everybody's YouTube channel down in the description down below. But this right here is one of my favorite train layouts. No joke. This is pretty amazing. A lot of operational value to it. That for sure. Heck, they're building that one right there, and the grain facility, and that are something I would do for my train layout because of the theme I'm going with. But also, if I start doing center beam cars, yes. So that's what I'm going to enjoy. But I'm going to do some more shorts, have a good time. So yeah. Alright everyone, my friend Joe here, he's getting ready to head out. You have a good one, bud. Me and Val are going to relax, chill for a last couple of, it's actually 60 minutes before the model train show for today in. But we had a good time today. And I'm going to look around and try to catch some more shorts of the model trains, if y'all know what I mean. But we'll see you right toward the end of the show. Alright everyone, look who we just found.
How you doing, y'all? It's Major Tom, the Pinball Wizard. You see me on YouTube, right? I hope so. If not, go subscribe to Limited Clear Productions right now. It's going to be worth your time.
Yeah.
I
But,
think so, right?
alright, after me and our friend Thomas here get done, we're going to try to surprise Val. Because she don't know that Thomas is here, so that's something we're going to do. So yeah. Am I right, Thomas?
What's that?
Going to try to get surprise Val in a few minutes.
Yeah, it's coming. She doesn't know what's going to hit her.
Yep. She probably don't even know you're here. Oh, so it's gonna be good. Alright, me and Thomas are going to surprise Val.
She doesn't know what's going to hit her.
Nope.
She has no clue.
You're...
Hello. Hey. You remember me? Yeah.
Yep.
What? So good.
You did not,
What's up, buddy?
Val, you did not even know to him walking in earlier.
She was out here?
Yeah,
I
she
didn't
was
see
sitting.
her, she didn't see me. Perfect. That's what
But
you wanted,
yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm. So, Val.
What do you guys end up getting? How you been doing?
Well, I got my in-scale stuff right here. Look at it.
I'll just take the bite.
Oh. So do you have a layout built?
Not yet, but the plan is to build one down the line.
Oh, you got track. There you go.
Got more track. I have a whole bunch of track at home.
You got
David's still prepped up.
a switch,
Two of them.
track,
Yeah, I have to have coins. I can still
What's
buy
this?
stuff.
more track.
Yep.
David and Thomas, can you watch my stuff? David, can you watch
Yes, we can light yours up, but
do that.
we're having
I
a
have
good
eyes, I can do
time.
that.
Yep.
I'm ready.
Reason why I have dough is to change out the crappy cup works, if you know what I mean.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean. I do that all the time.
Like, am I right?
Hey, do
Oh,
you
yeah.
have some spare?
Yep.
the struggles of model railroading are real.
So true. But yeah, look at all that.
So
Did all what I got, but we'll talk to y'all when we get ready to go. Alright, me, Val, and Thomas are getting ready to go.
Bye.
But me and Val will see y'all when we get home.
Okay.
Alright, you have a good one, bud.
Yep. See you guys. Good seeing you.
See you.
Yep.
Hey, you
Peace.
got my email on your live stream. But yeah, but we'll see y'all when we get home. Also, I hope y'all enjoyed Joe being here earlier. But look like I'm going to have a lot of YouTuber links to put on channel tonight because they just closed up for tonight.
I thought it was Michael.
I'm surprised that Michael did not came.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
King Bowmaster.
we'll see y'all when we get home.
Alright.
Everyone, me and Vera finally home, and look at the rolling stock I got right here. Look at it. Got a nice roll stock and some extra track. Not a bad deal for 150.
Cool.
Am I right, Phil?
Mm-hmm.
Speaking of that, our Lionel train clock is going off. So, but we had a good day, and I'm not gonna lie, we ended up meeting a lot of our friends, and ended up seeing a fellow YouTuber, technically two.
Oh yeah.
But it's been a great day. Been one of those amazing good day, and a good day for 2024. So I think we're finally getting out of the bad luck. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.
No kissing.
I don't care. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Snuggle.
Have a nice night, everyone. Bye.
Snuggle. Mm-mm.
Ah.
I can't.
All right, bye guys.